Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're exploring the world's simplest image pixelator, a powerful tool that lets you pixelate images quickly and easily. Whether you want to blur parts of an image, add cool effects, or even create pixel art for games, this tool has you covered. What is an image pixelator? This tool allows you to pixelate an entire image or specific areas effortlessly. It's perfect for hiding sensitive information, censoring data, or giving your images a creative pixelated look. Here's how it works. Upload your image using drag and drop. Adjust the pixelation area interactively. Move and resize it with a few clicks. Fine-tune settings like position, dimensions, and pixel size for precise control. Once you're satisfied, download the pixelated image in PNG, JPEG, or WebP formats. In this example, we pixelate a 200 by 200 area over a teacup with a lemon. We set each pixel to be 25 pixels in size, creating a large pixel effect while keeping the rest of the image untouched. Here, we pixelate an entire image of a parent and baby elephant. By leaving the position and size settings empty, the tool automatically covers the full image. The pixel size is set to 5 pixels for a clean, low-resolution effect. For all the Minecraft fans out there, this tool is perfect for creating pixel art. In this example, we pixelate a cherry blossom flower into a style suitable for Minecraft. The pixelation area is set to 180 by 186 pixels, with each pixel measuring 10 pixels, giving it that classic blocky look. If you love tools like this, don't forget to check out our last videos on write text as ASCII art and draw an ASCII table. They're perfect for adding creative text effects to your projects. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more amazing tutorials. Let us know in the comments how you're using the Image Pixelator tool.